So one day I was talking to my dog while he was a puppy. He was a little guy. And, I was just training him to, ask him if he wants to go outside, that kind of thing, And I had a sneezing fit. So every time I was, asking him, if he wants to go outside, I, start sneezing because something was stuck in my sinuses. Well, anyways, this dog perceived it as conversation, that's language. Sneezing means yes. You hungry, Ezio? You want to eat? Huh? You hear him? He does this little sniff. You hungry? You want to eat? Huh? See? That's him saying yes. He starts sneezing. Because when I was training him, I had a sneezing fit. And so that's kind of funny. You a hungry dog, huh? You hungry bubbers? Huh? You hungry bubbers? Huh? You hungry? You ready to eat? Yeah? Yeah? Alright, I'll stop recording you. Let's go get some food.